Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see CR Droid ROM, which is newly available. The version here is 6.15 and which is based on Android version 10. So guys, let's begin. So this is the CR Droid 6.15 based on Android version 10, and the kernel here, I don't know what is the kernel and what is the language. So yes, I just don't know what the kernel is. Then going back, this is the just these settings here, and going to the system, these are all the options. You get to see the Xiaomi parts available here. These are all the Xiaomi parts, and this is just the normal Android 10 settings available here. These are all the customization, the CR Droid customizations, and these are so many customizations available here. These are all the status bar customizations available here, the 4G icon and everything, double tap to sleep, battery bar. Then these are the quick settings customizations, the vibrate on touch, battery styles and everything. Then these are the all the lock screen customizations, the status bar, lock icons and everything, the charging animation, the battery info, the tap to sleep and everything. These are the lock screen customizations. Then these are the navigation customizations, so like you can turn on the navigation gesture bar from here. Just turn on the navigation bar, then go to stock nav bar settings, go to system navigation and just select the gesture navigation. Now the gesture pill will be enabled, so as you can see the gestures just got enabled, and also the navigation bar are also working. So yes, this is great, and the gestures will also work. So if you want to work both, then you can turn it on from here. Then going to the these are the buttons customizations, these are the UI, the rounded corners and everything. Then you get to see the notifications and the sound miscellaneous and everything. These were the customizations available here. Then talking about the security here, the screen lock and the fingerprint here is working. You get to see the face unlock option, which is also working absolutely fine. I'll just show it to you. As you can see, the face unlock option here is also working, and you also get to see the app lock option available here. Then going to the display options, these are all just the same display options. I'll just not show it to you, just the normal same display options available. Talking about the battery life here, the battery life I must say is great, though there are so many customizations available here, but still the battery life here is impressive. You get around 4 to 5 hours of screen on time normal usage, but if you use it heavily, then you may get around to max 3 to 4 hours of screen on time. So yes, you cannot expect much battery life if you use heavy. Then talking about the quick settings, you get to see the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi here is working absolutely fine. Mobile data here is also working. The VoLTE is also working, but I don't know what happened this time. Currently it is showing edge, but the VoLTE on this ROM here is working perfectly fine. I don't know, I have to reboot the phone once, then it will work, but currently it is not working. Okay, then you get to see the location and everything. The screen recorder here is available, the gaming mode and everything. The dark theme here is also available. Then talking about the camera, this is the camera you get, just the normal camera app. So yes, we'll just not talk about it, everything in this cam just works. And talking about the Google cameras, the Gcam 7.3 version here is not working. So yeah, so guys, if you still haven't subscribed to the channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel. There will be the name of the Telegram group here. You can join the Telegram group from there. Then talking about the Geekbench scores, here are the Geekbench scores 286 and 720. So the scores are just not impressive, but performance here is yes, great. I am using this ROM from around 1 week now, and overall the performance of this ROM is just great, and I haven't faced any bugs or stutters or lags. The ROM here is pretty much usable and stable. Then talking about the safety net here, the safety net status has also passed. As you can see here, the CTS profile has matched, and the Play Store has also certified the device certification. I'll just show it to you quickly. As you can see, Play Protect certification, device is certified. So yes, no worries. Then talking about the internet speed test also, these are the results, the 53.9 Mbps and 32.8 Mbps. So internet here is also just not an issue, and I had opened these apps previously and they were still in the RAM. I have the 2 GB RAM variant and these apps were still in the RAM. So yeah, RAM management has also improved in this ROM. Then talking about the call quality, there are no issues with the call, and the call recorder here is also available, so that is great. And then talking about the bugs, I haven't faced any bugs yet. The overall for me, as per my usage, everything here is working for me, so I haven't faced any bugs or stutters or random reboots or everything for me is working till now. But I hope I will not face it in future also. So yes, overall for me the ROM has been pretty much stable. So yes, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below or in the Telegram group. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and goodbye.